Hey guys, so we're going to be shopping in my local Michaels. For those that haven't been in a Michaels before or that live overseas, just want to show you some of my favorite sections. So this is the planning section here. This has a lot of the Mambi Crate 365 planner supplies. And for you washi lovers, it's like washi tape galore up here. All these fun different designs. And then down here are the Recollection binders that come in different colors. And some of these markers and decorative pens. More washi. And let's go into my other favorite aisle here. This is where they have all like the nice cardstock paper. So when I used to do my zines, I would come here. They have a variety of color and designs. And when I used to do my snail mail, I would come here for all of their paper pads. I know Michaels recently released some new designs, but if you're into like making your own envelopes or like snail mailing, check out their paper pad section. Let me kind of show you. Let me focus here. Look at all these pretty styles. Oh, this is actually a really nice one. And then if you're familiar with Michaels, they usually have their coupons on their website for like 40 to 50% off, so keep a lookout on that. And then typically Michaels, they usually have like sales year round. Let's see what else they have over here. Some Mambi sheets. Let's see. And then I'll kind of take you around the general area where I usually go. This is the floral section. And then these boxes, these decorative boxes are usually on sale too, and this is where I would pack my snail mail packages. Or if I'm mailing things as gifts, I would get these pretty designs because they would only be like $2 or $3. Let's look at the sticker section. So for you scrapbookers, this whole aisle is like stickers. We'll walk over here. All of the stamps. And then this is the Jim Holt section. I love getting these fun little designs from his line. I still like getting these little word stickers. Here is the Traveler's Notebook section. It's usually by the Tim Holtz line, so you can find all of that here. And then this is the Jane Davenport area where she has all of her fun crafting supplies. You guys, I spend so much time in the Michaels store, you wouldn't believe it. Let's see, more planner supplies. We have some sketching paper and sketch pads. For you jewelry makers, you would like this aisle. It's like an abundance of pretty beads and jewels and charms to make your own necklaces, bracelets. earrings. And some of these charms are what I use for my traveler's notebook. Okay. And as we continue on through the store, on the other side it has more of like your paints. Let's see. A lot of the home decor right now, it's close to like Valentine's and Easter, so it has a lot of the pastel colors. And let's see, this is another section that I frequent. This is new. They're what's this, prayer journals that Michaels came out with, and I come here for like their markers for bullet journaling or drawing. This is where they have the Rhodia notebooks as well. You see here, Michaels always has some type of good sale going on, so if you can't find the coupon, then just look out for their sale. These Artist Loft notebooks are actually pretty comparable to the Leuchtturm 1917, and these are perfect for bullet journaling. The paper quality is actually pretty good, and I picked up a few. I noticed that this pink color is always sold out in this regular size. But let's continue on over here. And then we kind of get into like the kitty section. So that is pretty much it for like the main areas that I shop around in. So for those again that have not been in a Michaels, just kind of wanted to show you around to get a general idea of how much fun it could be shopping in here. And every time my husband drops me off, he knows the drill. I go in the store and he goes over to like Best Buy because he knows I'm going to be here for a while. So I know that the Recollections and the Happy Planners are in one designated area, and Michael's, it's set up different in different locations, so it's hard to know exactly where all of it's at. But here's some more Valentine's Day scrapbook paper and some fun little stickers. Oh, I like these patches. How fun. Let's take a look. Before I leave, I want to see where they have the planners. Oh, I like these pretty papers. I'm working on my pocket size planner, and I want to make my own dividers, so that kind of inspired this trip today. But for me, I'm always easily distracted by all of the stationery. Oh, there I am. Hello. Here's some more fun paper. For you painters, you can find your artist brushes as well. Different styles and sizes with your artist paint, artist quality paint. I know the lighting in here isn't ideal, so I apologize for it being kind of weird. Let's take a look here. Oh, I like these paper pads. Let's see. For my pocket size, this is actually a pretty good size here that I could cut these out. Let's take a flip through. Oh, I really like that. That's really nice. Solid earth tone colors. Let's see. What is this? Stay magical. This nautical one. And then this one is the Ooh La La. All these pages are so cute. I can't decide on which one I want. And then they have the bigger pads too. Oh, I like this one. What is this one called? Sunday Morning? Oh. Let's take a look. Okay. I'll keep looking around. But you can see how you can spend a lot of time in this store. They have just so much to look at. I feel like you need like a few minutes just to sort through all of it. Here are the new Recollection mini spiral planners. And here are the full-size planners. They always have these in stock. And then, let's see. This is the Happy Planner. Oh, it's sealed. This is they're 50% off right now. Okay. But as you can see, it's a fun little craft store. Easy to deplete all of your money in one visit because you just want to buy it all. I think I'm just going to find my paper pad stock for the dividers. I'm gonna look through it here, but I don't want to keep you guys kind of lingering on this video. So I'm gonna look through here, see what I like, and then in another video I'm going to share kind of the dividers that I made. Ooh, I like this. Let's take a look at this one. Santa Fe Garden. These aren't currently on sale, but I can use my coupon. Oh, I really like these watercolor designs. Oh my gosh, these paper pad designs are so cute. I think I'm gonna get this one. Oh, this is so nice. Yeah, I think I like, oh my gosh, I like that one. I think I'm gonna get this one. Let me see what else they have. Let's see. And I feel like you have to go through these very slowly because you might overlook anything. Oh, this is like a fitness version. How fun is that? I'm not really wanting that. The solid colors. Oh, the holidays are over, but they have a holiday one. And oh, they even have some cards. Let's see, what is this one? Okay. Alright, think that is it. going to, oh, I like this one. I like the ones that have like the artsy watercolor print. I'm going to kind of sift through these and make a decision because there's so many and it'd be better if I had both hands. Let me take a look at this one. Kind of like this rose garden theme, the floral design. Okay. Gonna have to eat any, mini, miny, oh, it. Mo. Any, mini, miny, mo. Alright, well that's it. I'm going to end the video now, but comment down below, let me know what you look forward to when you go to the Michaels store. And I will see you guys. Oh, let me see. Let's look at this one actually. So many cute paper pads. Oh my gosh, I just want all of these. Okay. I'm gonna have to decide because I obviously can't get them all. I wouldn't be able to use them. Okay, I'm gonna decide and I'll let you guys know in my next video. But I'll see you guys later. Bye.